Hi guys, I have to record this video because my main video was recorded several hours before the invasion. Unfortunately, it happens, and that's why just use my video with a grain of salt. And I'm really upset about this situation, but it is what it is. So stay cautious and be safe. What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of Tesla even lower. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. Let me show you more thoroughly. I made my previous video right here at this very point when we hit second time. Right here we hit this range for the first time, and here we hit it second time during the last several sessions. And I've told you that we should take a closer look on this range, and next potential movement might show the real direction of medium-term trend. And I've told you that the confirmation of this trend might be the volume. And right here you can see that volume with these red candles was slightly above than we had previously. And definitely on next sessions we had even higher volume, and for now we have this massive sell-off. From this win high to its current range, it has about 18.7% sell-off. So definitely it is a huge movement to the downside, and we broke even this support line that I drew previously, and it was the confluence in between the golden pocket range and the previous swing high. And definitely for now we have more bearish pressure to this ticker than bullish one, and that's why we have this longer consolidation phase. So what should we expect next? I will show you in just several minutes in my technical analysis. And for now, let me show you why this happens. So first of all, let me show you this news. It was published on February 23rd and it's titled "Tesla loses Director of Engineering to Generac." And let me quote you this. Tesla Director of Engineering Brian Dow has left the company to join Generac Holdings, according to Electrek. Dow has been at the company since 2016. Generac is competing with Tesla with its backup generator business, threatened to a degree by Tesla, growing out the Powerwall business even further. Tesla has reportedly been deploying Powerwalls at a rate of over 100,000 units per year. And because of this news, right here you can see that Tesla shares went for about 12% lower. And let me show you another news, another bad news directly related to Tesla. And we are on Yahoo Finance, and this article also was published on February 23rd, and it's titled "Tesla faces day of reckoning on water supply for planned German plant." And let me quote you this. Tesla may lose water supply contract for its long-delayed German plant if environmental groups win a court case challenging a license granted to its water supplier at a hearing next week. The Frankfurt Oder Administrative Court will hear on March 4th a complaint filed by local groups claiming the Brandenburg Environmental Ministry carried out insufficient checks before granting the license to the Wasserbelverwand Strasbourg Anchor utility. So difficult word for me. If the groups win, WSE said it must cancel its contract with Tesla, and negotiations will begin again on where the plant could source its water, likely a lengthy process with no guaranteed solution. And definitely this is the scariest part of this news, and we have a deadline. It is March the 4th, when the judge will make his verdict on this case, and definitely if it will be the negative decision, it might push the price of Tesla even lower. But overall, I have to say the major catalyst for all the markets is still the tensions in between Russia and Ukraine. Unfortunately, we can see some kind of escalation in this problem, and all of the markets are in red. As you can see, S&P 500 lost about 1.84%, Dow Jones lost about 1.38%, and Nasdaq lost about 2.57%. So all the indexes are in red, and only crude oil and gold slightly in green. And let me show you the heat map of entire S&P 500 list. Only energy stocks are in green, and all others are in red, deeply in red. And that's why we have a lot of bearish pressure, and that's why Tesla is losing its value right now. But all in all, let me show you that on their institutional investors list, for now Tesla has 52.46% of institutional owners, and previously, just 3 days ago, Tesla had about 52.43%, and during just 3 days it increased this number by 0.03%. So institutionals are still buying the stock, and overall, as you can see right here on this chart, more and more institutional investors added their position with Tesla, and despite of the decrease in its price, we have a lot of new filings, a lot of new companies that want to invest in Tesla. And overall, I have to say that Tesla will solve all the problems in Berlin, and it is not if, it is only when. And until it happens, we might see some kind of storm in the price charts of Tesla. That's why we have to be cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me pay your attention on this channel, and definitely we hit this range for now, and from this range we might have at least a bounce. But let me show you indicators, and all of the indicators, and take a look on RSI first of all. We don't have any bullish signs on each and every time frame. 1 hour, we are bearish. 2 hours, again bearish. 4 hours. Right here we have some kind of bullish divergence, but probably it won't hold, because on a bigger picture, on a 6 hours time frame, we already have this movement to the downside that is lower than previous one, and definitely the RSI is pointing down, and that's why we are still more bearish than bullish. 12 hours time frame, we have slight bullish divergence right here, but I have to say that we are extremely close to this range, and if the movement continue, we might see lower levels on RSI with this movement, and that's why we have to be extremely cautious with our next potential swing trade position. But if you want to invest in this asset, I have to say that for now we have extremely attractive average price for Tesla, and fundamentally this asset has huge upside potential. They don't need to invest a lot of money into the capital expenditures. They already done it, and this means when they will start production on their Austin and Berlin factories, it will drastically improve the delivery numbers, and on top of that, the Shanghai Gigafactory alone will produce about 1 million vehicles this year, and definitely it is a huge milestone for the company. So that's why I think if you want to invest, just add your position on every daily red candle, and if you want to catch the trade, just wait for more confirmation and wait for more clarity from the price action. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!